Hello guys, I'm Tim Klenk with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana. We got a 2012 Hallmark vehicle, and it's a Super C, so it's a toter motorhome. And what ended up happening is the roof from the exterior had a one-piece aluminum roof, which we have not talked about before. In the previous days, and maybe even on today, some manufacturers are still using a aluminum roof. The problem with an aluminum roof is when they put a backer on it, or they overlay it over the top of Luan or plywood. What ends up happening is you get a sweating factor between the aluminum and the actual decking, which causes water on the inside between the two layers, which causes your decking to prematurely fail. It rots it out. Also, what happens is the aluminum gets an electrolysis from the inside up, therefore causing holes in the aluminum roof. We had holes around the antenna, around the air conditioners, and it was all looked and perfectly sealed, but what happened is it got water in between due to sweating. So we had a premature failure of an aluminum roof on this coach, which it ended up getting a whole brand new roof and decking. And when we redecked it, originally the manufacturer had a flat roof. We actually contoured it, so we actually have a little sloping roof on it due to our lamination methods. And then we did a one spray-on Invincible Roof over the top of it. So you'll see pictures later on. We're going to do a photograph on that. But here we're covering the inside. So on the inside we had water infiltration into the bedroom was the major problem. We didn't see too much or anything on the inside other than a smell of mildew within the coach, which we did a treatment on that and eliminated the mildew smell. In the bedroom we replaced cabinetry, we replaced flooring, we replaced ceiling, we replaced the walls. And then in the front side, we replaced the carpeting in the slide out, in front of the slide out, and over here to match. So we completely transferred this coach to a completely usable coach, 100% pre-accident, probably a little bit better because the flooring we use here at MasterTech is Premier. So if you have any accidents or upgrades that are needing any insurance repairs, top to bottom, front to back, MasterTech RV out of Elkhart, Indiana is your one-stop shop.